Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in outdoor power tools. Today, we have the ultimate solution for your leaf blowing needs. The EcoPower Plus LB7654. A 765 CFM variable speed 56-volt lithium-ion cordless leaf blower. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line electric leaf blower that combines power, efficiency, and convenience, this is hands down the best option you can find. First, let's talk about power. The EcoPower Plus LB7654 delivers an impressive 765 CFM, making it one of the most powerful cordless leaf blowers on the market. With its turbo button, you can unleash up to 200 miles per hour wind speeds, ensuring that no leaves or debris are left behind. Whether you're clearing your driveway, lawn, or backyard, this blower packs the punch to get the job done quickly and effectively. One of the standout features of the EcoPower Plus LB7654 is its versatility. With a variable speed dial, you can easily adjust the airflow from 260 CFM to 580 CFM, allowing you to customize the performance for different tasks. Need to clear light debris? Use the lower speed setting. Have heavy leaves or even wet grass to deal with? Crank up the speed and let the power of this blower take care of it. The blower is powered by a 56-volt lithium-ion battery that provides up to 90 minutes of runtime with the included 5.0 all-arc lithium battery. This means you can tackle large areas without having to stop and recharge. Plus, the high-efficiency brushless motor ensures longer battery life and less maintenance, giving you more time to focus on your yard work and less time dealing with repairs. The EcoPower Plus LB7654 is also built to withstand the elements. Its IPX4 rated weather-resistant construction means you can use it in rain or shine without worrying about damage. So, no matter the weather conditions, you can rely on this blower to perform at its best. Another great thing about this blower is its user-friendly design. The included shoulder strap ensures comfort during use, especially if you're working for extended periods. It's easy to maneuver, lightweight, and the ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue, allowing you to tackle larger jobs with ease. For those who want reliability, power, and convenience, the EcoPower Plus LB7654 is the best electric leaf blower available today. From its robust performance to its long battery life, it's a must-have tool for any homeowner or outdoor enthusiast. Whether you're clearing leaves, grass, or debris, this blower is designed to make your yard work a breeze. If you're looking to make your outdoor cleaning more efficient and effective, the EcoPower Plus LB7654 should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews of top outdoor tools.